Welcome to Cooking Corner. Today's recipe is udin vada. It is also called as medu vada. Let's get started. The ingredients are: I have taken 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, a tablespoon of curry leaves, 1 chopped green chili, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger. I have also taken a small onion. You can chop it finely. And I have also taken half a cup of black lentils or urad dal. I had soaked it overnight. Into a mixer jar, we will add all the dal and blend it into a coarse or fine paste. Please make sure that you do not use any water while blending it, or very less water if required in teaspoons. After blending the urad dal in a mixer jar, you can see that I have blended it to a coarse paste. I have not used water at all. Please try not to use water in order to blend it. Now we will add the chopped onions to the same, followed by the rice flour, and mix it really well. In this way, please mix it really well. Next, we will add the chopped ginger, the green chili and the curry leaves, and again give it a really good mix. Now we will add the salt and the pepper powder. So here our batter is ready to fry. For frying the udin vadas, we will adjust the flame to medium high and we will wait till the oil is nice and hot. And in the meantime, we will grease our palms really well with oil or water. I will take a small piece of dough.
Yeah.
And make a hole in between in this way.
Yes.
And now we will drop it into the oil. Again we will take another lump of the dough. Make a slight hole in between.
Make a slight
Carefully transfer it to the oil. Similarly, we will repeat the process in the same way. You can see that I have taken some dough in my palm. And here I have made a hole. Carefully I will transfer this to the oil. And we will allow this to fry without touching for a minute. Please do not crowd the wok. We will carefully flip and cook for another minute. And serve hot. So here are the absolutely delicious udin vadas or medu vadas. They are crispy on the outside and very soft inside. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Cooking Corner.